Squats require core control and lengthening of the glute muscles. One of the biggest issues I see are people who are unable to effectively lengthen their glutes. For this exercise, grab a band and place it around your knees. Flip over into a tabletop hands and knees position. Tuck your toes under and spread your toes a little bit wider than hip width apart. From here, sit back into the squat position until you start to feel your back start to round. Now, depending on how much length you can get in your glutes, tells you how far you can sit back and how far you can sit back in a real squat. Now, if your glutes are really tight, you can't sit back that far. And what would it look like if your glutes were really tight? Well, I'd only sit back just a little bit, and then the back would start to round and your abs would start to shut off. Now, a lot of people also compensate by arching the back, which makes your butt kind of tuck at the end. And this causes you not to work your glutes completely either. And this causes you to stress your discs and your spine. So you may see some people that get to the bottom part of the squat and they do this little butt wink. This is what I'm talking about. This puts a lot of stress on that low back and your glutes aren't getting a good workout. So if your glutes are tight, you can sit back as far as you can, hold your core tight as best as you can, and really work slowly to lengthen the glutes and just go back as far as you can before you start to arch or butt wink.